Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about 8 interesting facts about Python programming language. So I hope you will like this video. My channel name is Farhad Lead Collection. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends, colleagues so they will know about it. Coding with Python, everything you need to know about Python. So let's discuss about programming. Python is a programming language created by Guido van Rossum that has quickly risen to become one of the most popular in the world. It is well known for having code that is both readable and simple. As you know that many companies have started using Python for a variety of projects. So let's check out 8 interesting facts about Python. Title and content layout with list. Why it is called Python? This is one of the big questions for today facts. Poem written about Python programming. Python has overtaken French in primary schools. There are C and Java variants in Python. Python does not require a compiler. Python is one of Google's official programming languages. Python is similar to English. Wide range of aspects. So let's discuss one by one to know little bit details about each and every point, each and every fact. So hope you will like this. Let's go to our first point. Our first point is why is it called Python? Why is it called Python? While many people assume the name Python programming comes from something related to the Python snake, it comes from the TV comedy series Monty Python Flying Circus. This series broadcast on the BBC channel in the United Kingdom in the 1970s and was a favorite of Guido van Rossum's because it was short, cryptic, and included the name of his favorite TV comedy show. He chose the name Python. So this is the main reason why it is called Python. And here you see the image about Python where you can see that snake is make on the book page. So you can also read this book and you will enjoy this. Second point is poem written about Python programming. Inshallah, I will also share a Python poem for Python, so you will like it. Believe it or not, a man named Tim Peters composed a poem called "The Zen of Python" about Python programming. Simply type import this into an interpreter to read this poetry. It's a fascinating and entertaining poetry that you should read for yourself, and I will share in separate image to read more in the same slide. So this is more about poem written about Python programming. So this is the Zen of Python by Peters. Let's check out this beautiful poem. Beautiful is better than ugly. Explicit is better than implicit. Simple is better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. Flat is better than nested. Sparse is better than dense. Readability counts. Special cases are not special enough to break the rules. Although practically beats purity, errors should never pass silently unless explicitly silenced in the face of ambiguity. Refuse the temperature to guess. There should be one, and preferably one, only one, obvious way to do it. Although that way may not be obvious at first unless you are Dutch. No is better than never, although never is often better than right now. If the implementation is hard to explain, it's a bad idea. If the implementation is easy to explain, it may be a good idea. Name spaces are one honking great idea. Let's do more of those. So this was the Zen of Python poem. Hope you will like this poem. The next point is Python has overtaken French in primary schools. Doesn't this one sound funny? Believe it or not, Python surpassed French as the most popular primary school language in 2015. Statistics shows that 60% parents should prefer their children to learn Python than French. This shows that the importance of Python programming was acknowledged by a vast number of people. According to the same figures, 75% of children in primary school would rather learn how to manage a robot than learn French language. So, this is how Python overtake French in primary school, and many children nowadays learning Python because it's one of the most interesting language. it's, it's very easy language. So the fourth fact is there are C and Java variant in Python. Yes, Python offers variations for the C and Java programming languages despite being a self-contained programming language. The C derivative known as CPython was built to give Python the benefits of C. One of these criteria is performance. This is one of the more important criteria. The variation can be used as an interpreter as well as a compiler. So variation can be you can use the variation as an interpreter as well as compiler. Json is Python's Java implementation. It allows some of Java's most important features such as productivity to run on virtual machine. Also you can see the image about the variant. This image was taken from Unplash. So let's go to the fifth fact. Python does not require any compiler. Python is a high level interpreted language that does not require a compiler. Unlike other programming languages such as Java and C++, Python code is stored in a .py file which serves as the Python engine and eliminates the need for a compiler. This is the image for compiler programming. Just the sixth fact is Python is one of the Google's official programming languages. Python is one of the few programming languages that has been designated as an official Google language. Python became one of Google's official programming language due of its efficiency because its efficiency is very good. So um, uh, that's why it's called Google official programming language. It was advantages to them because it is simple to use even on large projects. Even YouTube is powered by Python programming. Even YouTube is powered by. Do you know Python is one of the official programming languages that are used it as a Google. The language has been part of parcel of Google thanks to its efficiency and portability. It is an easy language to use even when deploying big and complex projects. Google search and YouTube are just some of the products that are powered by Google search and YouTube are just some of the products that are powered by Python. There are several Google APIs and libraries that are based on Python program. So this is the fact about Python programming languages, and it is one of the Google's official programming languages. So let's go to the seventh fact. Python is like an English language. Yes. How? Many people claim that Python is a simple language to learn. The fundamental reason for this claim is that Python is more like English than other programming languages. It's simple to figure out what each line of code everything is simple and straightforward. Everything is simple and straightforward. You can easy to write, you can easy to identify error, you can easy to compile your program, run your program, execute your program. So it's not a big deal. Same like, but how we write the English language. Python plain English. So there is a difference between this image shows that there is a difference between very small difference. There is not a big difference like Python and plain English. So plain English we can write that whatever we write. So same you can write for Python. So it's easy to write and easy to identify the error and easy to compile and easy to sort out your issues. The next one is the last fact about the Python is wide range of aspects. Python is a general purpose programming language. In fact, it can be used in a wide range of coding scenarios like web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, Internet of Things IoT. Here this means that IoT, Internet of Things and many more. If we discuss about machine learning, ML versus artificial intelligence AI. Unfortunately, some tech organizations are deceiving customers by proclaiming to use machine learning and artificial language on their technologies by not being clear about their product's limits. So this was some difference between machine learning and AI. Unfortunately, there is still much confusion among the public and the media regarding that genuinely is artificial intelligence and what exactly is machine learning. What is machine learning? Let's discuss about machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that allow computer programs to automatically improve through experience. So it was all about the machine learning. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is vast in scope, according to Andrew Moore, former dean of the School of Computer Sciences at Carnegie Mellon University. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making computer behave in ways that until recently we thought required human intelligence. Yes, this was the picture which were related to a wide range of aspects. So let's go to some advantages and disadvantages of Python. So it will be more easy to know about Python programming. Python advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. First advantage is improved productivity. Disadvantage is slow speed. Second advantage, interpreted language. Second, not memory efficient. Third one is dynamically typed, weak in mobile computing. Disadvantage is weak in mobile computing. Fourth is free and open source, database access. Disadvantage is database access. Vast library support. Advantage, runtime errors. Disadvantages are runtime errors. So these are five advantages and disadvantages of Python. Even there are more advantages and disadvantages of Python, but I just mentioned here very few. So let's go to the conclusion for this about fact. Overall, Python programming has grown in popularity among people of all ages and industries. It is a top-notch programming language that allows it to be both dynamic. So if you have any questions or anything, so you can put in the comments, so we will discuss together. If I miss anything in this video, so you can also uh, send me the comments, so I will modify or correct again for the next videos, for the upcoming videos. Hope you will like this video. End of the facts about Python. Thank you for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please comments on this video, so it will be helpful for me to modify more videos. So this is the name of my channel name, Farhad Lead Collection. Here you go with my logo and YouTube page. So you will subscribe this page, like this page, turn on bell notification, put comments, and share with your friends. So here uh, at the end of this video I will also uh, you can also check this, what is Microsoft Power BI services, Power BI reason. So this is about top 7 reason and to use Microsoft BI. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Thank you so much once again, many thank you.